Hello, today we're showing you how to install our STUDBITE Trapeze Support System. You first get your STUDBITE adapter. It has the butterfly clip on the back that is spring loaded. You pull that back and slide it up your threaded rod to the desired height. You then get your second adapter and do the same to around the same height. You get your trapeze support system and slide it on top of both of them, adjusting till they're both level. You then, with the screws in the back, you screw them in so it bites into the threaded rod. You then get your tapered head STUDBITE screw, and you're simply just going to pick up a hole in the trapeze and the adapter and screw it in. And that is your trapeze support main.